transport enthusiast. I'm so sorry. We've been late on everything, so I missed a trailer. Hold on. So there's a trailer. Oh, that's on mute. Oh, hold on. I have a game open right now. Let me just mute that. Right, that was awkward. Back into the video. Can I full screen? It's because I have navigation on. I'm on technical difficulties. I've missed 2 recent ones. So first we're going to be watching the
Sell to millions of people online.
Right, so we're on full screen. We've got Avonhill. Sussex. New Millbridge. Oh, you got a 156 plus 142. Both in northern livery. That's oh, what's with the paces in the 156s? 3, 2, 1. Greater Anglia. Greater Anglia. Somewhat. There's a lot of lesser Anglia. A lot of lesser Anglia. Nice 3, 2, 1. 802. You got a 90 there. You got a. Oh my god! There's so much going on. So you got an 802 Transpennines Express. You got an. What is that? 801 GWR. Lesser Anglia. Oh, skipped ahead. FER. And then you got a GWR 801. 802 once again. A lot of 801s and 800s. But I swear to God, like 5 companies share that same livery. Great, like back in the days, back in like 2018, basically, also 90. What is that 90 carriage doing sitting there? Hold on, where's the 90 locomotive? Oh well. So back in the day, literally most of the companies that ran in my area shared the same livery. So the livery that was shared. Okay, pause. What I'm trying to say is that Transpennines, Great Northern, Thameslink and Hull all share that same livery that we're seeing right now. I just wanted to tell you that. Let's get back into the video. Transpennines Express. Let's just move on. You got another 321. 170 Southern. 802. I want version 1.3 now. Okay, that's an 801. Nice! I'm liking the sound effects in that. Very nice. Okay. Seems like starting up the train. Pantograph. Oh my god, they actually have an animation. Sheesh. Oh, that's good. That is good. Oh, that brake squeal was nice. Oh, that sounds exactly like it sounds like an 801 does sound like that. Pretty much. Door seals locking. Hmm. I wanted to be quiet there because I know everyone wants to capture the what do you call it? The acceleration. We are now approaching Norrington. Please take all of your personal belongings with you at all times. Thank you for travelling with FNER. This is Norrington. A light here for services to I don't know. That was absolutely amazing. I love that. Okay, pretty much like in real life. First class is located at the rear of the train. Also, it seems like you can, because hold on, you have to wait 802. So over here it says Avonhill. So I'm assuming you can do Norrington to Avonhill or Holm Heath to Avonhill. I doubt Holm Heath will actually be a terminating station. Yeah, same as the 801. Sounds like a car. Not gonna lie, that diesel changeover sounded pretty smooth. Okay, that diesel engine is absolutely amazing. So it seems like Leeton isn't going to be getting upgraded anytime soon. Wow. I think they're just only previewing the... Oh, those point sounds. They're more nicer. Hold on, you can go all the way up to, something... I forgot what that's called. Newhurst, that's what it's called. Newhurst. Newhurst is a bit of a weird station. Seems like, you know that buffer down there on the 3rd track? I don't think they're extending beyond. Okay, that will be it for today. Bye!